Hi, little A.
Hi,
How was your day at school?
good.
Excellent. We're going to be doing a topic today that isn't my best, actually, I'll be honest with you, but we're going to struggle through it somehow. And it is about,
Robin Hood's Law.
it's not about Robin Hood. No, it's not Hook's
Oh,
Law. It's going to be about plant diseases and things like this.
plant
So,
diseases.
all of the things that for poor plants, they have to sit and worry about, but not us. Okay, let's have a little look. So, there are various ways in which you can tell if a plant is poorly. How might you tell if a plant is sick?
They might be like this.
They might, exactly right. So they might, if this is a normal plant up here somewhere, and you know I can't
Huh?
draw for toffee. So
Wait,
there's
what are you drawing?
that's supposed to be a plant. Is it a little bit like a tree?
It's a bit tree-ish.
It's a bit tree-ish. Okay, well, I can't draw. So if you've got a plant that only goes up, or a tree that for some reason just will not grow that much, as you say, it just sort of goes like that, then we say that its
You mean
growth,
all droopy and stuff?
yeah, or just it just can't grow as much as it should be able to. We say
Yeah,
that it,
it should either it could be because it could be because it doesn't have any sunlight or any water or
that's right. Well, or it could have some disease, and that's what we're talking about today. So if it's got a disease, it might
stunted
have,
growth. Wait,
say it again.
stunted growth?
Stunted growth. So that's one way in which you can tell if a plant isn't very well. Another way is like this. What's this picture of?
A
Any idea?
leaf.
A leaf. And if it's got like spots on the leaf, yeah, so
It's
spots.
horribly.
Sorry?
Spots disease?
Yes, it's like a spots disease. We're going to go on to that in a minute. Um, Rose
I saw
black
many
spot.
flowers like that.
Have you really?
Yeah.
Well, then they're not very well. Perhaps you should give them some medicine. All
Oh,
right. Spots on their leaves means is a good sign that they're not particularly healthy and they've got some sort of a disease. Another thing might be if, for example, they have sort of areas of decay. So, you've got a normal plant like this, and then when you are looking at the side of it here, you can see that actually it's got a little part of it which is all decayed and nasty and sort of all ill looking. All right. So that's the third one. So let's go through those three
artist of artist of Oleke.
areas of decay.
Areas of decay.
So we've got three so far, Alf. We've got stunted growth. Say stunted growth.
Stunted growth.
We've got spots on leaves.
Spots on leaves.
And we've got areas of
Areas of
decay.
decay.
Excellent. Well done. There are six. Let's go on to the fourth one. So the fourth one, have you ever seen this? I know I have. You've got a tree, and I seem to be doing a general
A
tree here.
tree.
And it's got like a lump at the side of it. We've seen some of these in the walks, haven't we?
Yeah, I have. I have
Yeah.
those ones with the big eyes.
Yes, exactly. We said there was an eye, wasn't there, when we were playing football? These are growths. So if they've got strange growths on them,
Yeah,
then
I saw one with loads of growths.
okay, well then it's got a disease. All right.
Yeah.
So what else? Oh, another one here. Let's say you've got a bush here.
A bush.
Yeah, bush of some sort. Let's give it a flower as well. Here you go. So it's got a bush
I
with a,
think my flowers are better.
I'm sure they are. This plant is covered in loads of little pests, all right, like little ants
Pests.
or something like that.
What does pests mean?
Pests, well, they're just things like ants or maggots or flies or
Ants or
things,
ants?
yeah, loads of little insects or creatures like that. Um, we call them pests because what they do is they eat up plants and they eat up our growing food and they're generally quite annoying. And the way you kill them is using something called pesticide. So we can kill those things there.
Huh? What does it look like?
What, an ant?
A pesticide.
Pesticide is just a chemical that you spray on them, a bit like perfume, and they go, ah.
Like what we did to the flies.
Yeah, a bit like that. A bit like that. Last one, discolored or malformed leaves. So here's your leaf again. And if the whole thing has got a strange sort of color, so if instead of being nice and green, it's got some strange sort of
Like
color.
red.
Um,
White.
yes, or browny at the edge or something like that, maybe. They're sort of
I
browny or
think
whatever.
I
You've
wait.
seen that, have you?
I no, I haven't. It's just I think I saw a berry look like that. A white berry. They're poisonous to eat.
Yeah, they,
The
well,
white
don't eat
berries.
them then. No, that's not good.
Stunted growth
Yeah.
again. Spotted leaves. Areas of decay.
Oh, good boy.
Growth. Pest. This. What does that say?
Discolored means not having any color. Discolored leaves.
Discolored leaves.
Now, you know what's coming next, don't you?
Yep, a test.
Let's see how many you can remember. What was the first one? Stunted growth.
Yes.
All right. Do you know what's next?
Um, spots on leaves. Um,
Areas of decay.
um, growths.
Very good.
Um, and in colored leaves. Something. Pests and in colored leaves.
Discolored leaves.
Oh,
Discolored leaves. So really well done, Alvin. You learnt most of those. That's fantastic. So that was the first part. You happy with that?
yeah.